Good day. So today we are going to make a power supply. So for power supply we need transformer, we need a rectifier, and we need a capacitor. Okay guys, so these are the basic components to make power supply of 24 volts. Okay guys, this is our transformer. We need 120 volts. So what we do, we make jumper 1 and 3 and 2 and 4 like this one guys. You see this one, 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. So this one now is for 120 volts input. So we'll put one line here and another one is here, 1 and 4. Okay guys, so our output here we need 24 volts, so we jumper this here. So here and there it's 24 volts. Finish our transformer. Now we will connect our rectifier. Okay, now we connect our rectifier. Okay, so this rectifier, there is a mark here. This one stands for AC. Okay, this one is for output positive, that one negative. So this AC connected to the secondary winding, this one here, these two here. Okay, so there you can see. Now we have our rectifier. Now we will connect our filter. So this is our filter capacitor. Okay, now we completed the connecting this capacitor. Okay, so to give you an idea how this power supply works, first we have this transformer. This transformer, we have the primary winding and secondary winding. For primary winding, you can use either 120 volts or 220 volts. For secondary winding, you can choose 0 to 12 volts or 0 to 24 volts. But to supply this one, we need 24 volts. Okay, so we use 0 to 24 volts. And then because this one is AC output, we need to rectify. So this is our rectifier. Okay, this is our rectifier. After rectifying, now we can get a DC ripple AC. We need to filter. That's why this capacitor. Okay, so the capacitor, now we have now pure DC, and then it will supply this card. Okay, so this is how the power supply works. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.